All right, we are taking a break from my S13 and we are back at Aedans today.
I need you to stretch it out.
Come on, man, that's the first thing you're gonna say. I saw the KA24 Turbo S13 that I tuned last time. We were working on this thing today because I guess he blew a turbo, so we got to get this. You already installed the turbo, right? Turbo manifold's installed. Just got to get the rest of it together, get it tuned, because you are sliding this weekend.
All right, I've had a really gay-ass intro now, but yeah, so I registered for Bash Bros like a month ago. First time I brought this car out, went to a meet, blew the old turbo. Old turbo's fucking just sitting on the ground over there.
Oh, yeah.
So it was the same price to get a new GT 2871 as to buy a whole new turbo kit. So
Wait.
Give her a little wiggle.
no, that's the wastegate button.
Yeah, but you were externally gated.
Yeah.
That's your problem. Is it not?
What?
This is supposed to be welded shut. Dude, that's not supposed to be like that. If you have an external
blew the
gate.
turbo in, so
Did you?
yeah. Turn it, flip it around. Look at the cold side. Look at the. It scored the shit out of it and just ate everything up.
I think this turbo is savable, dog. I genuinely think it's your gate. Because that's not even that bad. Sometimes it does that, and you'll have shaft play without oil pressure.
Here, wasn't.
Why were you not here before I bought a new turbo kit?
I genuinely think that's fine.
That turbo's blown.
No, you just say that it's fucked up and you can just have it, right?
No. That'll be my backup now.
Yeah, I think that turbo's probably all right. So you will always have turbo play without oil pressure, and this is one thing that like people misconceive.
Well, yeah, but look at how much it ate up the fucking sides.
But I've seen worse run better.
Do you think it's because the boost pressure was fucking wiggling the turbine too much?
Well, I mean, you could have just been having turbo surge at like lower RPM.
Because of the gate too. I mean, the gate's letting air out here, so we're probably gonna have to completely retune now, because that's not supposed to be like that at all.
This one's on 14 pounds now.
It's on 14.
So it'll be like 310 wheel-ish.
Okay. Well, we can turn it to whatever we want.
Well,
But yeah.
So because the way this is a like integrated wastegate that we're running now, so we can just adjust this rod and get whatever we want out of it. So we could go up to 20 if we wanted to. But
It kind of sucks that's internal, but
does this still sound cool internal?
no.
No.
It doesn't go whap. It just make like dump noises or anything.
I don't need dump noises. It's fine.
Dump
I don't
noises
mind-
is cool.
I don't mind having a quiet car for once though.
What is your definition of quiet? Not out the quarter panel?
Not blast pipes on a stock E36.
Yeah, right.
So yeah, you have blast pipes, a Z06, and then a 240 with basically a mortar coming out behind it.
Dude, is this
swap?
I was gonna say, is this a Z06 240 we got going on
Bumper
here?
swap?
Dude, heck yeah.
Oh, what are you plotting up here, dude?
Heck yeah, dude.
Second this thing blows up, you're like, how do I use it?
All right.
Let's not say those words, dude. Hell yeah.
He gapped me.
That
God, that thing's way faster than my car, dude.
KA band was going off.
What?
Stretch to fit here. Little lube goes a long way.
This has been a very zesty vlog here.
Yeah, it is. I'm not gonna lie.
Trying to get this small
Okay,
coupler on there.
It's gonna take a couple people's hand. You gotta like push it as I do this.
My hands are sweatiest hands you've ever met.
Okay, so
If I plug this in, it's not going to start squirting everywhere, is it?
No.
no, it's only Sam's mom that does that. Nah, that fucker ain't going on there, bro. That's just tripping. Does that come with these?
Alright, so we're just wrapped up getting the turbo kit on. We had a little complication here with this coupler needed to stretch over this pipe, and then we had to pull the pipe this way, and then the banjo bowl on the feed we had to drill into to get that good, but we got all that sorted. So everything is theoretically put together. It's all theoretical. We got the nice Red Bull can for the coolant overflow, and we got the headlight wired to the fan switch because the fans are going to be running 24/7 anyways. So we got this headlight on. That one, we figured out the bulb was not working correctly. It's burnt out. So he needs a new headlight for that. But then easy, just jump wires over there. Good to go. So we're getting everything buttoned up here, drop it down on the ground, get this thing back up and running. I'm gonna crank to build some oil pressure here.
Okay, you're back on. And yeah, we can see if it starts on.
Check to make sure there's no oil leaks under here. Don't see any oil leaks so far. That's so good. So one thing you want to do when you install a new turbo or new engine is you want to check to make sure that every single oil line is tight and there's no oil leaks whatsoever. So we did that. Everything checks out so far so good. All right, so there's a couple of things that we need to touch base on when you get a new turbo, right? You want to make sure that the fuel's happy. Now the drivability changed a little bit just because the turbo is a little bit different size. So I added some fuel in that area right there and the car loved it. So now that we got that done, we are going to look at the top of the chart, you know, where we start to go into the boost. Now, it may look a little all over the place in certain areas, but due to the last turbo, it liked a lot of fuel in certain areas, and this is E85, so it just turned up quite a bit. All right, what are we doing? How you feeling?
Shit, we just took it to the gas station. We finally got some ethanol in it, so hopefully we don't run out of gas, because that would be not ideal, especially when we don't have my truck or trailer.
And we're tuning.
And we're tuning. That would be bad. So yeah, we're just at the gas station. Joey's grabbing some clips. We're going to make some TikToks.
Hell yeah.
And yeah, tune's been going really well so far.
The man behind the camera.
The one and only, capturing the Midwest.
Time to go slide and see what she does.
Yes, sir.
It might just be the fans pulling power. Alright, well there was a whole fiasco with Joey getting pulled over in Aedans' truck, so we went and did that. Now we are trying to test, but it's on the same road that he got pulled over in, so see how this goes.
Yeah, Border Patrol was not too happy.
Yeah, Border Patrol at Mexico. I thought we were sliding there. All right, how'd the car feel?
Car felt great. A lot of front grip, which we got to work out tomorrow. I think it's just pulling a little camber out of the front and upping the tire pressure in the front will be great. But the tune, the boost, everything felt perfect. Right now we're only on 7 PSI. So we'll see how that feels in second and everything tomorrow. But if we need to, it's an integral wastegate that we can just adjust with a lock nut.
Yep.
So it shouldn't be too hard to adjust it and get her dialed in.
And for reference, for anybody who was watching the video and saw the air to fuel kind of go lean and then rich and like hunt a little bit, every time he lets off the gas, it doesn't have fuel enrichment. So every time he's doing this, it'll go lean and it won't stay lean. It'll go back and hunt back to rich. Not ideal, but right now for this setup, I think it's perfectly fine. As long as like on limiter, dude, you're rich. So that's exactly what we want. I think.
Were we shooting flames?
Yeah.
You shot a few. Yeah,
Hell
you
yeah.
shot a few. It was like, so you'd let off on like a transition, right? So like, say you're coming this way, you'd let off, you do your transition, and you'd whip around. You know how it pops on some of those whip rounds? That pop is a flame.
How big?
It's just a little pea shooter. Just lights up the end of the exhaust.
Yeah. You know what? Little flames are better than no flames.
And if you want to turn the limiter up, or not turn it up, but like make it more aggressive, I can always do that too.
We'll see tomorrow.
See how I'm feeling.
We still do got to break in this new turbo kit and everything. I mean,
Oh, she's broken in already,
I was
baby.
gonna say.
probably, yeah. when we first came out, the manifold wasn't even broken in. We probably want to check, retorque everything tomorrow morning and just make sure.
Yeah.
In case any of those nuts or anything loosened up. So we'll do a nut and bolt check tomorrow, see how she's running, and get on track with her.
Perfect. And I should be able to meet him at the track tomorrow, hopefully. So that way, in case anything goes wrong and I need to data log or whatnot, we can do that. So
Oh yeah.
it'll be fun. But yeah.
Sweet.
All right, let's
did
end
good.
this night. I'm gonna log this man's data.
Take this.
Peace out, dude. I will see you guys tomorrow.
I see you tomorrow.
You boys have a
See you
good night.
tomorrow.
Hey, sleep good in Tennessee or wherever your fucking compound is, dude.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no,
whatever.
it's Florida.
Florida.
Now, isn't it? Yeah, Florida.
Dumbass. Look at you.
I saw him-
You can't even talk shit.
I
if
saw
you
him
don't
in
know.
Tennessee. Sorry.
Yeah.
He was in his air. You were in.
You're
your
the
air
only
cool
10 I
Porsche.
see.
All
All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. What do we got going on here?
We're remaking our gasket because our downpipe decided to blow the fuck up.
Just some of this shit right
So
here.
we're using the orange RTV to remake our gasket right now. And then we're just gonna gasket maker and thread lock the fuck out of everything. And hope it works.
Hell yeah. She's back together. Well, it's coming out the back, so we must have did something right.
For now,
Are you just going out there? Let it warm up?
I'm just gonna drive it around.
We got Jaden Peach's car out here today. This thing's looking sick. Finally get to see him slide. Last time he lost oil pressure because the oil pump gave out, so stoked to see this thing on the track. Got a couple good laps in.
Yeah, we got some decent laps. We ran out of front tire. I jumped the car. Lost power steering. Not exactly ideal of a day, but could have been worse. We got some laps in.
We got tomorrow.
We always got tomorrow.
We got
Gotta
more
find
front.
some 17-inch tires for the front though.
Yeah, I think take some camber out. Maybe it's a little too aggressive.
I can't.
You
Hit
can't?
the fender.
Oh, I suppose.
Yeah.
As
See
chassis
different coils,
things.
dude.
Yeah, for real. Something that you have more adjustment.
I forgot him.
Now I know we will never ever have pretty things again. We will